CV that I'm showcasing next, whether it's right or whether it's wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, what do you think about this particular CV?
No, ma'am, wrong.
Why? Why?
Wrong.
Ma'am.
Wrong,
I
ma'am.
want I
Wrong,
want
ma'am.
Ma'am,
you
it
to
is
Images.
unprofessional.
Ma'am, it's looking unprofessional.
First of all, she has given the personal information ki hi, my name is so and you can call me this. And then my blood group is this. I am an interior design student. First of all, do not make sure कि आपका CV बहुत ज़्यादा colorful नहीं होना चाहिए. Image इस तरह से नहीं चलेगी. You have to be professionally dressed. Third thing is I am. हम कभी भी अपना CV I me we do not use these things while we are making up our CVs. Never use this. Never use unprofessional language like hi and my, like she's written hi and my name is. We never use hi and my into it. Don't add all these things in your CV. जब आप career objective भी लिख रहे हो उसमें भी a lot of number of times people mention myself so and so, a marketing enthusiastic, and then they start writing their paragraph. This is totally wrong. Please do not make all these mistakes. Apart from this, जब भी आप अपने interests या hobbies depict कर रहे हो वहाँ पे साथ में images attach करने की, avoid attaching images along with it. जैसे इसमें there's a lot of images that it has been attached. कुछ भी हाँ इसमें से like you can add, take an example, sketching अगर आपका hobby है, you can definitely add that. अदरवाइज हमेशा रिज्यूमे में आप अपनी लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल दो. वेबसाइट कुछ है, कुछ इंस्टाग्राम का कुछ ऐसा पेज है जिसमें आपने अपनी फोटोग्राफी या आपने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड कुछ करा है, ओनली देन एड इट. अदरवाइज अपना इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, यूट्यूब ये सब देने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू आर नॉट हेयर टू गैदर फॉलोअर्स आउट देयर, राइट? नाइदर एनीवन ऑफ इज गोइंग टू फॉलो यू. So moving on to these two CVs, so now what is your opinion about the same? Whether this is the right thing to do or whether it's the wrong thing to do? If someone drops in such sort of a CV in front of you, what is your opinion about the same?
Second one is something good.
Ma'am, second one good.
It's okay.
Mom, it is in a form of summary actually.
Yeah, it's enough for just summary.
Exactly. The
Yes, ma'am.
qualification.
No one read the summary of our stuff actually.
Yeah, not written out properly. When अब बहुत सब लोग ऐसे हैं कि suppose अगर आज मैं अपनी PPT में too much of content ही डालूं, मैं images ना डालूं, a lot of people, if I'm not highlighting things in my PPT in the form of bullets, a lot of you will not even make an effort to read it out also. तो content वो होना चाहिए जो readable हो, that is visible. So this is something that is the correct form of his CV, जिसमें he has highlighted his contact details, his skills, what softwares he's comfortable working with, and then he's talked about his hobbies.
Ma'am, it's looking like professional.
Yeah, exactly. So this is how your CVs should look like. Whenever you're selecting a format for yourself, even if you're finding it out online, make sure that you select a proper format. This is another format which can be used by you, but of course you need to add on a picture with a plain background. Apart from this is another one which can be used, on which he has showcased his LinkedIn profile and all of it. He has highlighted his skills, languages known. He's mentioned conferences, courses separately. He has mentioned about the side projects that he has done and all of it, experience. कुछ भी अगर आपने freelancing करी हुई है, you can mention that also.